Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best solar panel kits that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for a portable option for camping or a durable solution for your RV, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below for more details. So, let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Solperk Solar Panel Kit 20-watt 12-volt. This compact and efficient solar panel kit is designed as a trickle charger for 12-volt rechargeable batteries, making it perfect for maintaining batteries in cars, RVs, boats, and even tractors. With a high conversion rate of up to 30%, this monocrystalline panel ensures optimal performance even in moderate sunlight conditions. It includes an upgraded 8-amp charge controller that prevents overcharging, short circuits, and other battery-related issues, which is a fantastic addition for its price range. The design is thoughtfully engineered with a low-iron tempered glass surface and a corrosion-resistant aluminum frame, making the panel both waterproof and durable enough to withstand extreme weather conditions like sandstorms and hail. Additionally, its 360-degree adjustable mounting bracket allows you to easily position it for maximum sunlight exposure, a feature that's especially handy for outdoor setups. While it's a reliable entry-level kit, its 20-watt output limits its use to smaller applications, like maintaining battery charge, rather than powering larger devices. It's lightweight and easy to install, making it ideal for beginners or those who need a simple, maintenance-free solution. However, for users who require more power, this kit may feel underwhelming. Overall, the Solperk kit is a fantastic choice for those seeking affordability and simplicity. Pros include its durable build, high efficiency, and ease of use, while its lower wattage and limited versatility are the main drawbacks. At number 4, we have the Dokyo 200-watt 18-volt portable foldable solar panel kit. This ultra-thin, lightweight solar panel is designed for portability, offering a foldable design that's easy to carry and set up. With a power output of 200 watts and high-efficiency monocrystalline cells, this kit is perfect for charging 12-volt batteries and powering devices during RV trips, camping, or emergencies. One of its standout features is the 9.85-foot cable that provides flexibility in panel placement. It also includes a PWM charge controller with multiple safety features, like reverse polarity and overcharging protection. For added convenience, the kit comes with integrated USB ports to directly charge small devices like smartphones and tablets. However, while it's compact and portable, the Dokyo panel lacks built-in kickstands, which makes positioning it for optimal sunlight a bit tricky. Overall, the Dokyo 200-watt kit excels in portability and versatility, making it an excellent choice for on-the-go users. It's ideal for those who need a powerful yet lightweight option for outdoor activities. The main pros are its portability, high wattage, and USB charging capabilities, while the lack of adjustable stands and its slightly lower build quality compared to higher-end models are notable cons. Taking the third spot is the HQST 100-watt 12-volt portable solar panel suitcase. This kit features advanced 9-busbar, 9BB technology, which significantly enhances durability and performance. With a conversion efficiency of up to 23%, it's one of the more efficient panels on our list. It's perfect for charging both lithium and lead-acid batteries, making it a versatile option for RVers, campers, and those living off-grid. The design of the HQST panel is robust, with corner protectors, tempered glass, and a strong aluminum frame that's built to withstand heavy use. Its IP65-rated junction box ensures resistance to water and dust, while the easy-to-use kickstands make setup a breeze. The included 30-amp PWM charge controller provides reliable overcharge and short-circuit protection, adding peace of mind for long-term use. While the HQST panel is heavier than others at 22.6 pounds, its suitcase-style design and included carrying case make it manageable for transport. It's a great option for users who value efficiency and durability over portability. Pros include its high efficiency, rugged build quality, and versatile battery compatibility, while its heavier weight and premium price point might deter some buyers. In the runner-up position, we have the Renogy 200-watt 12-volt portable solar panel. Known for its premium build and reliability, this solar panel suitcase is packed with features that make it one of the best options for off-grid adventures. With an impressive conversion efficiency of 22.5%, it's designed to maximize energy output even in less than ideal sunlight conditions. The kit includes a waterproof 20-amp Voyager charge controller, ensuring compatibility with various 12V battery types. The foldable design and adjustable kickstands offer unparalleled convenience, making it easy to transport and set up. The panel is encased in a rugged canvas protective case, and the weather-resistant components are built to last up to 25 years. Safety features like overcharge and reverse polarity protection make it a worry-free option for powering your devices. While the Renogy kit is on the heavier side at 34.4 pounds, its performance and durability justify the weight. This kit is perfect for users who need a reliable, high-performance solar solution for RVs, camping, or emergency power. Pros include its excellent efficiency, durability, and safety features, while the higher price and weight are its main drawbacks. Finally, at number 1, we have the ZoopW 100-watt portable solar panel. This solar panel stands out for its exceptional efficiency of 23.5%, thanks to its premium monocrystalline cells. It's a versatile and user-friendly kit that's perfect for camping, RV trips, and emergency power needs. The ETFE coating ensures the panel is highly durable, waterproof, and resistant to harsh weather conditions. The ZoopW panel is incredibly portable, weighing just 9.48 pounds and featuring a foldable design with a magnetic handle for easy carrying. It also comes with 2 kickstands for quick setup and optimal sunlight absorption. The included 10 feet 4-in-1 extension cable and multiple output options, including USB-A, USB-C, and various solar connectors, make it compatible with most power stations and devices. What truly sets this panel apart is its smart charging technology, which optimizes charging efficiency while providing protection against overvoltage, short circuits, and overheating. It's ideal for users who want a lightweight, efficient, and highly versatile solar panel. Pros include its high efficiency, portability, and advanced charging features, while cons are limited to its lower wattage compared to larger kits. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions about these products, feel free to leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, happy solar shopping.